Hi viewers, welcome back to Lohit Computer Academy. This is Sudhakar. In the previous class, we have discussed about trigonometric ratios of 30, 45 and 60 degrees. Now, let us discuss about trigonometric ratios of 0 degrees and 90 degrees. This is AB ray, and suppose a line segment AC of length A is making an acute angle with ray AB, and BC is the height of C from B. Now this is a right angle triangle. This angle is theta. For this theta, BC is an opposite side and AB is an adjacent side and AC is hypotenuse. When AC leans on AB, let us observe what happened. See once again, when AC leans on AB, what happened? The angle made by it decreases, means the theta is decreasing. When angle A decreases, the height of C, that is opposite side, decreases and B is shifted from here to here, that is adjacent side increases. This is the adjacent side, this is increasing when angle theta is decreasing. When you go on decreases theta, see what happened. Again height, that is opposite side decreasing, and base, that is adjacent side increasing. And when we decrease gradually, at one stage the angle becomes 0. The height, that is opposite side, will also become 0 and adjacent side would be equal to AC, that is length is equal to A. That means if angle A equal to 0, when angle A becomes 0, BC equal to 0, that is height, that is opposite side becomes 0 and AC equal to AB equal to A, means hypotenuse equal to adjacent equal to A. Now let us see the trigonometric ratios of 0 degrees, that is sin A, means here the angle is 0, sin 0, sin A equal to sin 0, sin means opposite side by hypotenuse. Here opposite side is BC, that is BC became 0 and hypotenuse is AC, AC equal to A here, that is BC by AC, that is 0 by A, that equal to 0. Therefore sin 0 equal to 0. Next cos A, that is the angle is 0, cos 0 means adjacent side by hypotenuse, that is cos A equal to cos 0 equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Here adjacent side is AB, AB became A and hypotenuse also AC, AC also A, that is AB by AC, that equal to A by A, that equal to 1. Therefore cos 0 equal to 1. Next tan. Tan means opposite side by adjacent side, that is tan A, tan 0 equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Here opposite side is BC, BC became 0, so BC by AB, here BC equal to 0 and AB equal to A, that is BC by AB, 0 by A, that equal to 0. Therefore tan 0 equal to 0. Now let us see trigonometric ratios and multiplicative inverse of angle 0. In the previous class we have already discussed about trigonometric ratios of 45 degrees and trigonometric ratios of 30 degrees and 60 degrees. Now for angle 0, sin 0 equal to 0, that is 0, and multiplicative inverse of sin means cosecant, cosecant 0 equal to, here sin 0 is 0, multiplicative inverse of 0 is 1 by 0, multiplicative inverse of 0 is 1 by 0, that is not defined. Therefore cosecant 0 is not defined. Next, cos 0. Cos 0 is 1, that is 1, and multiplicative inverse of cos 0 means secant 0, that is multiplicative inverse of 1 is 1 by 1, that equal to 1. Therefore, secant 0 is 1. Next, tan 0 is 0, here tan 0 is 0, and multiplicative inverse of tan means cot, that is cot 0 equal to, here 0, tan 0 is 0, multiplicative inverse of 0 means 1 by 0, that is not defined. Therefore, cot 0 is also not defined. Now, let us see the trigonometric ratios of 90 degrees. To find the trigonometric ratios of 90 degrees, let us take AB ray, and this is the line segment AC of length A making an acute angle with ray AB, and BC is the height from B. For this angle theta, BC is the opposite side and AB is the adjacent side and AC is the hypotenuse. Now, let us see what happens when the angle made by the line segment increases. The theta is increasing, that is angle A is increasing. When theta is increasing, the height means opposite side is also increasing and the base, that is adjacent side, decreasing. When you go on increasing theta, see what happened. Again height, that is opposite side, increasing and base, adjacent side is decreasing. And when we increase theta gradually, at one stage the angle becomes 90 degrees. The base means adjacent side would becomes 0 and the height increases, that is opposite side increases and it would be equal to AC, that is length of AC and BC equal to A. Means if angle A equal to 90 degrees, AB became 0, that is adjacent side became 0 and AC equal to BC equal to A, means hypotenuse equal to opposite side equal to A. Now let us see trigonometric ratios for this angle 90 degrees. Sin 90. For this we are taking angle A, that is sin A equal to sin 90, that is opposite side by hypotenuse. Sin A equal to sin 90, that is opposite side by hypotenuse. Here the opposite side is BC, that is BC equal to A and hypotenuse is AC. AC is also A. Therefore, BC by AC, that is A by A, that equal to 1. That is sin 90 is 1. Next, cos 90. Cos A, that is cos 90 equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Here for this angle A, adjacent side is AB and hypotenuse is AC. Here AB equal to 0 and hypotenuse equal to A, that is AB by AC, that equal to 0 by A. 0 by A means 0. Therefore, cos 90 equal to 0. Next, tan. Tan means opposite side by adjacent side, that is tan 90. Tan 90 equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Here opposite side means BC. BC is equal to A and adjacent side means AB, that is 0. That is BC by AB, that is A by 0. A by 0 is not defined. Therefore, tan 90 is not defined. Now, let us see trigonometric ratios and multiplicative inverses for the angle 90 degrees. In the previous class, we have already learnt the trigonometric ratios of 45 degrees, 30 degrees and 60 degrees, and in this class, we have completed trigonometric ratios of 0 degrees. Now let us see for the angle 90 degrees. Sin 90 equal to 1 and the multiplicative inverse of sin means cosecant. Cosecant 90 is also 1. 1 by 1, that is 1. And cos 90 is 0 and the multiplicative inverse of cos means secant, and here The multiplicative inverse of 0 is 1 by 0, that is not defined. Therefore, secant 90 is not defined. Next, tan 90. Tan 90 equal to a by 0, that is not defined. Tan 90 is not defined. But multiplicative inverse of tan means cot. Cot 90 is, here tan 90 is a by 0 and cot 90 is 0 by a, that becomes 0. Therefore, cot 90 equal to 0. That's it. With this, we have completed the trigonometric ratios of specific angles, that is 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. In the next class, we will see the exercise 11.2. Okay, thank you. Bye.